Alright, I was just talking yesterday about helicopters. When a Marine hears helicopter, especially a grunt, you run out, see what's going on. You got them hovering over downtown Piazza, over the Palladio Basilica, the museum. Oh, getting a little blurred here. Get them back into focus. Losing focus here. Yeah, the camera don't like to go. I guess it's too much. There it comes back. Alright, getting blurred here, but you can hear the sound. There we go. Took the camera a little bit to adjust. Alright. Alright, camera don't want to cooperate. Alright, some poor video shooting there with the focus, but